Hello guys, today I bring you the FLYFE grip string trainer. These ones are very useful, especially if you lose your grip out of things. Whenever you're carrying them or you just drop stuff, you can make more strength in your hands and your arm. These ones, they come in different colors. They come with a smart counting option, so you don't have to be counting every time you do them. You practically just set this at 0 and you start doing your thing. You can use them anywhere around the house, around your work. They're very ergonomic, so you can just put them in your bags. You can just store them anywhere. They come with a plastic grip. Simple to adjust the resistance on this FLYFE grip string trainers. You simply turn the knob, and right here you can tell how many pounds of resistance you're actually adding. You can actually be training anywhere and getting better at your grip. You can easily combine it with your training. These FLYFE grip string trainers are a very good option. I'm gonna continue training here, and I see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.